well, naturalised, you know what I mean? As long as you keep saying it, you'll just say, I think, oh, I need to be doing it, I need to be doing it. So just shorten your range a little bit, Paul. If it comes off the track, though, don't worry too much about it. As long as it's going out of school, don't worry too much about keeping them on track. Just try and keep going and getting that rising in your head and getting used to your rising in your trot. Good horse speed, I think. Good horse speed. Think that rhythm in your head. Try and just walk around with him once so that Paddy keeps trotting. Where's my wing? Well, so you just concentrate on your rising.
Back home at bedroom where it belongs.
Give me your leg. Huh?
There's whips back home at bedroom where it belongs.
That's it, so look forward where you're going. That's it, can you feel that rhythm? Yeah. Better now. Better. What's he saying to you, Paddy?
Good.